Today, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to Worldremit, the popular online money transfer service. First, you'll need to create a Worldremit account if you haven't already. You can do this through their website or mobile app. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to add your bank details. To do this, simply log into your Worldremit account and navigate to the Payment Methods section. From there, you can select Bank Account as your preferred payment method. You'll then need to enter your bank's name, your account number, and any other required information like the IBAN or routing number, depending on your country. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any issues with your transfers. And that's it. Once you've added your bank account, you'll be able to use it to send money through Worldremit. Just select it as your payment method when you're setting up a new transfer. Remember, Worldremit offers a range of convenient transfer options, so you can choose the one that works best for you and your recipient.